I love Dingie. But Dingie gonna hell. Dingie not there nowhere, no chord. I know some people gonna heaven. Lord of mercy can't, nothing Lord of mercy Dingie never say. I'm saying to us, we have to know where we are doing and say. People need to repent. Dingie never repent. Dingie gonna hell where. And at that be ball for. Me the ball say Dingie dead in.
Hello people, let me introduce myself. My name is Dingie. The same man wouldn't say I got hell headway. But I would tell her which part headway she go but through me there I have nothing can see. Boy, me I tell you, I know where all of these feelings are come from, you know. People, I was the price bull. I usually make sure we make everybody get good service. So, all of that said and done, them pray for me dead. But see they now, me chop out. Headway, Ghana heaven. I hell them want me go do.
Dingie family member them in the church, man. We no deal with Dingie rough, man. Me said nobody can tell me say Dingie then a big problem in the family. Me say even when the family member them a say Dingie no know God, Dingie never repent. Dingie gonna hell. See a picture of Dingie. Dingie look wicked. Me see a picture of Dingie. Dingie look wicked for showing the people. But here, what's the deal with it? Nobody can go and tell me say Dingie and I give the family a warm time. Warm time. Because there's no auntie, there's no nephew, there's no niece, there's no kids in the family, in the church who say, get up and say, don't say that about Dingie. Dingie a good man. Me say, then give Dingie piece of fire. So you know what this tell me? Then couldn't wait for say sitting bad about Dingie. Dingie usually give them so much headache and problem. And good to fight them over this and fight them over that. But here what me like about the story though. You see at the end of the day, I saw no have some family with some family member in it. Where me couldn't feel uncomfortable. Then wicked to them one another and then say them a family. So with this, people them come out as Dingie family and I say Dingie, no God. Which heaven? Where no I say in our church? Which heaven Dingie I go? A hell Dingie I go? There's nobody come out and say nothing good about Dingie. But this is what I want to say. Me like it. And hear why me like it. You see some man of wicked people upon earth will do people some things. And when they're not dead and they go in a church. And them a pray and say no in a better place. All on the pastor and if you top tell the people them like